couple of chapters, maybe even finish this honestly, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. And it's called Make Your Bed and the Little Things That You Can Change Your Life and Maybe the World by William H. McRaven. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I made my very first digital vision board this year, and this is what it looks like. And honestly, when I was making it, there was a point when I was like crafting this and I was like, oh my gosh, like it's literally not gonna make sense to anyone on what these pictures mean. But I had to quickly like snap myself out of it and be like, okay, you're literally creating this vision board for you. It does not matter if it's not going to make sense to anyone, because this is your vision board. These are your goals. These are symbols and pictures that mean something to you to get closer to achieving your goals and aspirations. So just a reminder, when you guys are making your vision board, do it for you. Don't think about like, oh, I wonder what people will think if I put this picture or this quote, yada yada. Don't care what they think. This is all for you. I made it my wallpaper, so I always see it first things first in the morning, especially when I like work and stuff. So in this corner we got a book because I want to read more books. Here we got this piercing, or like different piercings of this girl because I want to get more piercings. These pictures right here both have cameras in it, which symbolizes growth in my YouTube career. Continue doing what I love the most, which is creating content for you guys, whether it's vlogs, hauls, you know, reels, IG, whatever it may be. This symbolizes my career. And then we got travel the world because I want to travel the world. And then some of them have personal meanings to it. And yeah, so that's my little vision board. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Google Calendar and then see what's going on this week, and then transfer it to my weekly to-do bag because I am one to cross off list. That's what works for me. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Happy new year. I just finished getting ready because I'm headed out to the gym. I'm not gonna be able to vlog today because my camera is dying and then my two other batteries are charging right now, so I'm just gonna take little bits and pieces of my workout today. It's just gonna be super simple, super easy. It's my first day back since the new year and I kind of just want to take it slow, but I want to get some active movements in. So I'm gonna go in and go do Lauren Geraldo's 12-3-30 and then probably switch over to the Stairmaster after. And that's usually what I do whenever I want an easy but effective workout, because those two combined really just kills my legs and also my abs. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Here's my little workout outfit. This quilted jacket is from Forever 21. I did a collab with them a couple months ago and I haven't worn it since, so I wanted to bring it back and start wearing it again because lately it's been like on the hotter side here in SoCal. It hasn't been super cold, so this is like the perfect one. Then I have this cropped long sleeve. I hauled a couple of these in a SHEIN haul recently, and they are literally my favorite workout tops. They're not only for workout tops, but I love wearing them to work out in because they're crop. Then my sports bra is from Do You Even. Then my leggings are from SHEIN as well. This is from their Glow Mode collection, and it's a little crossover one, which is a dupe for the Airy crossover leggings that went viral on TikTok. My hat is from Nike, obviously, and that's that. Let's go ahead and get our workout in. Maybe I'll go to Starbucks and pick up a drink. I was supposed to get my nails done today, but my nail tech had to reschedule last minute because she wasn't feeling better, which I really appreciate that she told me ahead of time instead of just like taking me in. Just for safety reasons, she canceled my appointment and we're just gonna have to reschedule. But I hope I can get an appointment with her sometime early next week. I leave for my trip like next Friday already. But yeah, I just have my natural nails. This one isn't coming off. I literally don't know, so I'm just gonna leave it up to her. But anyways, it is currently 8:06 right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and head out and let's go get our workout in. Okay, alrighty guys, I just finished my workout as always. That was great. I honestly love being active, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to move and go to the gym even. Let's just go ahead and start off with that. But it's always hard getting to the gym and like getting up and getting ready, but I think as soon as you like get yourself out of the house and actually start doing your workout, you're gonna feel so relaxed and just good that you got your workout done. So it is currently 9:30, so I worked out for about an hour and a half. And I'm debating whether I want to go get Starbucks today or should I just like save it up tomorrow, because I do have to leave to go get a COVID test tomorrow. I'm completely fine. I just like to take COVID tests, especially after going to events or like really big gatherings, because I went to Vegas a couple weeks ago and I already took a test, but my test hasn't arrived yet, and it's because there's just so many people taking COVID tests right now because of a surge in California. So it's like day 6 and I still don't have my test, and I took it at Kaiser, so I made an appointment at this other one that I have been going to. I don't know why I didn't just like go there, honestly. Oh, I know why. It's because like they didn't have any appointments left, and I made an appointment for tomorrow, so I'm gonna go to that. And then I'm also gonna be taking my brother to his COVID test the next day on Friday, because he needs to have like a negative COVID test in order to enter Japan and also to go back to work, Navy. So yeah, that's what's going on. I guess I'll just go home and see where the day takes us. But yeah, I'm so happy I got my workout done. So I forgot my vlogging camera. I'm vlogging from my iPhone, but I just went and I picked up some of my mails at my PO box, and we got a couple from FILIPINA. Then we also have a package from Beach Club. Alrighty everyone, hello. Welcome back to the vlog. I just finished my workout and I just got home. You know, you've reached adulthood when you're officially a lot more excited getting home appliances or like home decor stuff more than anything. And that's literally how I feel right now, because I got myself the Anchor H30 Home Vac, and this is a wireless vacuum. Don't get me wrong, I love my normal vacuum with the cord and stuff, but sometimes there are areas in my room, especially like in those little crevices in the corner, where I cannot get them with a normal vacuum. So I wanted to get something that I can honestly like reach through those places and also use for my car just in case I have any spills or dirt or like little debris. And I got myself one from Anchor. Honestly, anything from Anchor is 100% over 100%. I own a couple of products already from Anchor, especially like their portable chargers, and they have lasted me for years and years and years. I always bring those with me whenever I travel, when I go to music festivals or a concert, and they have honestly never failed me. So I got this teeny weeny wireless vacuum for me to use in my car, and also the little crevices in my room, or if I like just spilled something really quickly, I don't have to like go downstairs, haul my big vacuum. I can just turn my wireless vacuum and start cleaning and get rid of that dirt. And I do want to mention that this video is also sponsored by Anchor, and I'm so excited because, like I said, I have been a customer of Anchor for years and years and years now, and to be able to have another item with them that I can utilize both in-house and also in my car is super exciting, and it just makes cleaning effortless wherever you need to clean, and I think it's so much fun. I honestly genuinely think it's so much fun using this teeny weeny but mighty cordless vacuum from Anchor. I honestly cannot recommend it enough. I'll put the link down below for you guys. Let's all clean our room for the new year. I mean, you should be cleaning your room like daily if not weekly, but for the new year we want newness. We want newness, cleanliness. We want a fresh start. We have a Filipino breakfast. We got some red hot dogs, which might freak some of you guys out, but it's literally the best hot dogs ever. I grew up eating on these. We got longanisa, then some fried rice, some kamatis and bagoong, tomatoes and
kamatis.
How do you say bagoong? Fish sauce? I don't know. Bagoong. And then some sunny side up that my mom made. Sorry, it's so hot right now that it's like fogging it up, but I basically cut up some gingers, like ginger root, and then also some lemon, and then I boil them with some water, and after that I pour them in a cup, add honey, and you can even like squeeze more lemon if you want to, but it tastes so good. It truly is what's keeping my immune system like A1. Alrighty, hello everyone. I got home about like an hour ago, and I literally ran for my life to start filming, because the thing about winter and I mean anywhere is that it gets dark pretty fast, and lately the sun has been going down around like 4:30, and it's like 3:30 right now, so in about an hour it's gonna be like pitch black outside. And it's really unfortunate to be honest, because I feel like I have to do my work a lot faster and a lot quicker and just early in the morning. But I mean, it's not that bad, because I feel like I always try to film or like do all my work right before noon anyways. And I was gonna film it tomorrow instead, but we got home earlier than I expected, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and film. So tomorrow all I really have to film is the try-on clips, and we did it, everyone. We did it. Literally, this is what it looks like filming right now. I'm wearing my sweatpants and just wore the dress on top, but I filmed 3 videos today, which I really feel good about. So that's good. And tomorrow all I really have to worry about is filming the try-on parts, which is nice because I don't have to like apply makeup tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room because once the sun is down, I'm like extra lazy to do anything. So let's go ahead and clean up all of these, because I do not like having all of these here. Okay, so yeah, it feels good to be back and filming again, to be quite honest. And yeah, hurry. Dude, why was that fucking struggle, bro? Hello, guys.
Yo.
The siblings take over Costco. Our parents did not want to run errands today, so we're here.
Dude, I miss Costco.
Her. We should do those
Wanna do a
TikToks.
TikTok? You see that one where it's just like the cart was going so fast?
Yeah. There has to be someone like pulling it though. It can't be like going that far.
That shit was going full speed.
Back from running errands. We went to Costco and then dropped off some clothes at a thrift store and just donated a couple, and then we also went to Target, but I forgot to vlog at Target because we were honestly just there for one item, and I'm proud to say that I did get the main item that I went to go to Target for. So I needed to get myself a nail polish remover with no acetone because I'm gonna try to take off my glue on nails, and they're kind of like hard right now. I googled how to remove glue on nails at home, and they're like use non-acetone and like soak it in for a couple of minutes, not a couple but like I think 15 to 20 minutes. I also picked up this little toothpaste from Crest, and this one's specifically for my gums because I see that one of my gums like on this corner here is receding, or like it's kind of pulling down, and I think it's because I'm brushing way too hard. I also just got a package delivered from White Fox Boutique, and I do want to go ahead and show you guys the items. I'll just show you guys a little haul. I'm not gonna go ahead and try it on. You guys will see on the feed. Crochet dress, which I feel like you can tell the theme of my trip. But it's just a knitted dress. Super, super cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ooh. God, I cannot wait to wear this. It's like a little backless moment. Summer is coming. Like the warmer weather is coming, and today's actually the first time. Oh my gosh, did I accidentally cut it? Did I accidentally cut it? Yeah, today's actually really nice out, guys. I wore my Uggs and like layers, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's like 75 degrees outside. What am I doing? But this is what the dress looks like. It's like a little knit dress, and it has all these holes on it, or like the peekaboo area. I don't know. You guys can't even see it, but make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram if you want to see the pieces that I showed you guys. I'm so excited for the weather to start getting hotter.